Hello friends, now today in this video we are going to learn the another best slide transition effect for PowerPoint presentation. Now the final result will be like this. When you press, it will come like this. Okay, so today we will learn how to create this infographic presentation. Now for this I have created this presentation, but let me add a new blank slide so that I can show you how you can create this best infographic presentation. Okay, firstly what you need to upgrade your PowerPoint software or your MS Office package. Now to design these type of slides, these types of presentation, what you need a PowerPoint 2013 and above version. Okay, if you are using 2007 or 2010, then you won't be able to create these presentation because the options are limited in that. So to create the presentation, these types of presentation, at least you should have a PowerPoint 2013 version and above. I am using 2016. So let's start with the video tutorial. Now I have added a blank slide. Go to design, go to format background, and then you have to select the background color. So if I have selected the background color, close it. Now on the home tab, in the drawing group, select a rectangle. After selecting the rectangle tool, you draw a rectangle like this. This much. Okay, you draw a rectangle. Now go to format tab. In the shape fill, you select the shape, like I'm selecting the color, this one, and shape outline, no outline. Fine. Again in the home tab, click on this drop down arrow and select the shape in the rectangle, that is top corner rounded. Once you select this, draw a shape and make the rounded corners a little bigger. And put it at the center, this way. Again go to the format tab, shape fill, select the same color as you have selected of slide, that rectangle, and select it no outline. Fine. After this, you need to insert a text box. Insert a text box here. Write a letter A. Select this. Change the font size. I'm changing it to Algerian. Make it a little bigger. Align it at the center, and you align this particular alphabet A at the center, this way. Clear? After that, select the color of this alphabet A, a darker one. This will be good. Now after doing this much, you need to select these two, this rounded rectangle, small rectangle, and the text part. Select these two and then press Ctrl G to group them. After selecting these two, you have to press Ctrl G to group them together. Fine. Now select this, press Shift key and select both the shapes. What you need to do here, select this shape, that rectangle shape, rounded rectangle and press the shift key and select the bigger rectangle part. Fine. After that, press the control key and move it a little left side. You have to make a copy. Now please make sure that you arrange all these things in a aligned manner. Fine. Now another copy, you go to format, go to shape fill and select another color. Fine. Second. Now again press control key and drag it to the left side to make a third copy. Fine. Now go to again shape fill, select shape color and again press control key and 4 times. Last time you need to drag it again. This is the last time. Again go to shape fill and select color. Fine. So this is how what we have done. We have created 4 different shapes. On a single slide we have created 4 different shapes. Now what you need to do, you need to arrange the tabs. Select this and make it a little upper, this way. Fine. Select this one, drag it to little upper. This way. Select the last and you also drag it to a little up, this way. Sorry. Now select this, change the letter to D, also change the text color. Select this, change the text color. Select this, change the text color to a darker one. Now D, make it C and B. Fine. So what we have done, we have done this much. Now I hope this much is clear to everyone that what you need to do. Now what we need to combine the shapes now. Okay, what we need to combine the shape. Now select this, press shift key and press control G. Select this one, press shift key and select this, control G. Now select the third shape and its alphabet, control G. Select the last, press shift key, select the letter A and control G. Fine. Now what you need to do, you need to select all these slide and move it to a left side. You need to move it to left, this way. Please make sure that this last D shape is also visible. Okay, don't move it to the left side so that the slides are not visible. Okay, you have to look that all the slides should be visible. Now we have moved to this much. Now what you need to do, select the first slide, bring it to the right side, a little right, this much in the middle, and leave it. Fine. Now we need to add the graphical presentation here. What we need to add graphs. So already I have drawn, so I have some images. So let me select Control C and Control V. Now you need to add this on shape A. You can increase the size if you want. This way I am increasing it. Okay. Now what you need, select this image which you have inserted, press the shift key and select the shape A. Okay, and after that Control G, group them together. Now once you group this shape A will come on the above of all the slide. It will appear on above of all the slide. So right click on this shape and select send to back. Fine. Now similarly you will select the shape B and move it to the right side. Select this. I have to make it ungroup this object because I need to add this slide a little to the left side so that it won't appear. Yeah, this much is better. Shift Control G. Fine. Now select shape B, drag it to the right side, this much. This much you need to add. Now I am selecting the second shape and pasting it here. And this center, drag it to make it a little big, this much. Now select the shape, select the image, press shift key, select the shape and Control G. Now this time what you need to do, you don't need to right click and select this send to back. What you need, you right click, send backward first time, again right click, go to option send to back and select send backward for the second time. Clear. Now select this shape third C and drag it to the right side. Very finally, very equally you have to make these two. Clear? Now go to the graphical option, select the third, paste it here, increase the size as much as you want and align it. Fine. Select the image, press shift key and select the shape, then Control G, right click on this shape. Now this time you need to send to back and click on send backward only once. Now the last, select this, drag it to the right side, move very finally, very equally, this much. Go to the graphical option, select the last graph you want to add on your slide, and then fine. Select the image, select the shape D, and Control G. Now after doing this much, again Control A and then drag these to the left side again. Okay, you have to drag this to the left side. Once you drag it, now it's time to apply the animation effect. Now when you say about animation, you select the first slide. Okay, go to the animation tab, select add animation, and you have to select here in the motion path, select the animation lines. Once you draw this line, you go to effect option and select right this way. Once it is done, click on this line and then drag it to the right side. This much. Make it 1.25 duration. Fine. Once you have done this, again select the shape B, second, go to and animation, again select lines, in the effect option select it right side and then click on the last arrow which is playing here, the second one, and then you need to select it and drag it to the right side. And leave. Clear? Again now select the third, go to add animation, same way you have to and the second one we have not set the timing, set it to 1.25. Fine. Now select the third, go to add animation, again select it lines, in the motion path select right. Now click on this last arrow, now select this and drag it to the right side. This way. Select the duration 1.25 seconds. Done. Now select the last one, add animation, select it line option, effect option right side, then click on this last arrow and drag it to the right. And leave it. Like this, 1.25. Fine. Okay, now in the last, what we need to do, we need to select this text part, Control C, and then paste it here. Control V. Once you have pasted this, or you are writing, right click on this and click on options and to back. Fine. So this is similar. Now let's run this. Let's see what is the result we have got. So this is best slide transition effect for great presentation. I'm clicking it. This one is the first, A, B, C, and then at last D. So this is how you can create the best slide transition effect using PowerPoint tool. Okay friends, now you can try this at home. You make this presentation at your home, practice more and more. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, and goodbye. Thank you.